Good morning, students. In chapter number 5, here the topic is types of migration. Types of migration. Types of migration. What is migration? Here the human group settle one place to the other place, that is called the migration. And the types of migration, here we can classify the migration in two parts. Yeah, we can study migration divided in two parts: international migration and the internal migration. International migration and internal migration. First of all, international migration, the people change their country. The people change their country. What is the definition of the international migration? The human group, yeah, human settle one country to the another country. That is called the international migration. The human, yeah, group of people settle one continent to the another continent. That is called the international migration. In the international migration, the population change their own country and settle another country. That is called the international migration. Then the human group settle, like here India to America, that is called international migration. India to Japan, that is called international migration. Then the people settle Europe to, yeah, Germany to USA, that is called international migration. Then it is also called the continental migration. One continent to another continent. Europe continent to North America continent. Europe continent to North America continent. It also include in the continental migration, is also included in the international migration. Then the person change their country, one country to another country. Here, then India to Japan. What is this intercontinental migration? No, here the Japan and India is in a country. So here not the intercontinental migration, but also here the international migration. The people change their place, one country to the another country. India to Japan, that include in the international migration. Next year, the international migration can be divided in two parts: European migration and the Asian migration. We can study international migration, the current of the international migration, in two ways. First way is the European migration and second way is here Asian migration. We want here the study about the migration. Yeah, we want here study about the international migration. Here the two current of the international migration. Here the European countries, the people, maximum people settle from European country to another countries, and the people settle Asian country to the another Asian countries to the another countries. That is here the international migration. The maximum migration in the world from the European and the Asian countries. So the current of the international migration here depend on European migration and the Asian migration. First of all, we discuss about the European migration. And here the what is internal migration? Internal migration. Here the two part: migration, international migration, and the internal migration. So what is here the internal migration? The people settle one place to the another place in a country boundary. The people settle one place to the another place within a country boundary, that is called international migration. Like here the people settle Delhi to Jaipur, it is count in the internal migration. ठीक है, जब क्या हो रहा है within a country boundary here the settle, then call the internal migration. Then change their country, include in the international migration. Internal migration also classified in two parts: interstate migration and the local migration. This internal migration classified in two parts: interstate migration and the local migration. Then change their state, interstate migration, and within a state, that is local migration. We will discuss after in next lecture about the internal migration. Now here the international migration, the current of the international migration in the two way. Here the European migration and the Asian migration. First of all, here the topic is European migration. First of all, here the topic is European migration. What is European migration? The European people settle one place to the another place. Here the many reasons to the population of the world is migrate one place to the another place. These region are like here the economic region, cultural region, social region, religious region, political region, many regions the world population migrate one place to the another place. Now here the European migration. European people also settle another places, another countries. What is the main reason of the European people settle another countries? Then here the lack of resources in the European countries. Firstly, developed countries are the European countries, and here the lack of resources, in European country, and they want high life level. Then they discover the many places and start the migration. Yeah, they migrate to another countries, another places. Due to here the lack of resources in the European countries and the pressure of falling here the standard of living, European started migration in another countries. Clear? मैक्सिमम यूरोपियन एंड द मैक्सिमम यूरोपियन, सबसे ज्यादा यूरोपियन कहाँ के? मैक्सिमम यूरोपियन सेटल इन यूएस एंड द यूएसए एंड कनाडा या नॉर्थ अमेरिकन कंट्रीज. क्लियर? यूरोपियन कंट्रीज migrated from here and settle into the main parts of the world. ठीक है? European countries migrate. The current of the European countries, the European people settle in the tropical zones and the temperate zone. ठीक है? We can also classify here the European migration in tropical zone and European migration in temperate zone. European migration in tropical zone also and European migration in the temperate zone also. What is here the tropical zone? 0 degree to 23 degree north and south. This region is the tropical zone. And what is temperate zone? Here the 23 degree half to 23 half degree to 66 half degree north and south. This region is the temperate zone. The European people migrate tropical zone also and the temperate zone also. In tropical zone they migrate, the European people settle in the tropical zone because here in tropical zone the main aim is trade. And in temperate zone they migrate because here the resources found, and what here the climate condition is suitable for the European. Climate condition also suitable for the Europeans. They for this region they migrate in the temperate zone region. Clear? First here we study about the tropical zone. The European migrate on the sea shores of tropical North and South America, and the southern part of Asia. Here the European settle in tropical zone region in southern Asia, and here the regions North America and the South American, where African regions, where they coastal region where they found the possibilities. Clear? And commercial crops, spices, ठीक है, जो मसाले होते हैं, rice, tea, coffee, etc. are make crop in these countries. So these here the coffee, tea, rice, spices and the commercial crops like here the cotton. All these are here the have suitable climatic condition in the tropical zone, and the European countries people, the Europeans are settled in the tropical zone countries like here India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, China. ठीक है? All these countries are some African countries like here the South Africa. They settle in these countries. For the some important crops. Clear? And the main aim is here the trade. And they settle in the temperate zone. And maximum European are settled in the USA and Canada. What was the reason? Here the lack of resources in Europe, and they change their place. They settle in US and Canada. Here full of resources these places. ठीक है? तो temperate zone climate was favorable, and second condition is the temperate zone climate. The European countries are in temperate zone. Then here the North American countries are also in the temperate zone, and here the suitable climate for living. Then Europeans migrate in the tropical zone. ठीक है? Temperate zone climate was favorable for the Europeans. Clear? And the maximum number of European migrate in USA, Canada, South Africa, New Zealand and the Australia. So all these are the regions temperate zone, and here found the resources. Then they settle in these places, These countries' resources and the favorable climate conditions are attract Europeans. Clear? Here the topic is migration, types of migration, international and internal migration, and today we'll discuss about the international migration, the current of European migration, two type, tropical zone and the temperate zone. In the next lecture we discuss about the Asian migration and the internal migration. In this lecture, here the main important part is here the types of migration, two type, international and the internal, and international migration in two ways, here European and Asian, and the European migration in tropical zone and temperate zone. In tropical zone they want here the trade, like here the some crops, like here the commercial crops, cotton, rice, tea, coffee, and in temperate zone they settle because here they found the resources and the favorable climate conditions, so they settle in these places.